Welcome to Kanen Coffee in Berkeley. Today we have a beautiful rocket apartamento. Came here, we did switch brand new, as you can see. This is the old pump, very old actually. We switched also the filter. Yes, the filter inside, all the components, the old one, gaskets, and we did deep cleaning inside out, and also we descaled the machine, and it's ready to go. Let's pull a shot. There you go. Don't worry about how fast the coffee comes. It's because of the grind that we use in the shop to test the machines. It's not fine. It's coarse, so you can always adjust it at home. Finer set. Please come and see our beautiful collection of brand new machines for sale here in Berkeley. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.